All right, how do you exit a full screen game or app on Android that completely takes over your phone? So let's say I accidentally opened this game, and now all my buttons are gone. And I have no idea how to get out of here. How you get out depends on whether you're using button navigation or gesture navigation. If you're using the 3-button navigation, you can either swipe down from the top of your display to reveal a hidden navigation bar, or sometimes swipe up from the bottom instead. Here, on the bottom, nothing happens right now. But since the game is in landscape mode, I need to swipe from this side instead. Because even though the phone and display orientation is sideways, the phone still considers that to be the bottom. Swipe, find the buttons, and now I can tap the home button, and it takes me back to my home screen. Now, if you're using gesture navigation, where you don't have those visible buttons at all, what you'll do is swipe up from the bottom edge of your screen twice. The first swipe reveals the gesture indicator bar, and the second swipe takes you back to the home screen. Let's do that again. I'll swipe up once, and it reveals the controls, and if you don't follow up quickly, they disappear again. So you've got to do those 2 swipes pretty quickly, back to back. 2 swipes, and you're back on the home screen. So, button layout, swipe from the edge, locate the buttons, tap home. Gesture layout, 2 quick swipes up from the bottom. And that is how you exit games and full screen apps on your Android phone. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all, I'll see you in the next one.